or 100% marks in board examinations. Role of hard work, dedication, strong will, persuasion, luck, sports, exercise, and co-curricular activities. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and share it. For any doubt, call me at my mobile number +614 35 205 206. My mail ID is kumar.ramesh5759 at yahoo.com. Other is kumar745 at yahoo.com. Learning experience of teaching accounting with students scoring 100% marks. Today I am going to share with you my experiences with all those who are desirous of scoring 100% marks in board examination. This is all that I got during my teaching of class 11th and 12th in my teaching experience of 30 years in a very reputed public school. It is mix of those who are very studious and of those who excelled in sports, co-curricular activities as well as wanted to score 100% marks in board examination. An example of profound sportsmanship and will to excel in academic. This is the case of a student who was round the year participating in sports, but when only 2 months were left for board examinations, requested me to help him in his studies. I still salute him for his strong desire to be topper in accountancy. He completed his entire course of 12 months in 2 months' time. When I inquired about his strategy, he told me that I used to use chair and table. I put my legs on the table and cover them with quilt and attempt whole exercise questions whole night. I retires to bed for sleep only when I have completed my whole exercise questions. He used to put number of exercise problem when next day he came for next lesson concept. God helps those who help themselves, and hard work never goes unrewarded. With his hard work and dedication, he scored 98% marks in board examination and now practicing as a CA. A strong willpower and dedication. And another student who was from science background in class 11th but shifted to commerce class in class 12th for not doing well in science. But that girl was very laborious. In fact, she did not have any interest in science, but due to advice of her elders and scoring outstanding marks in class 10th board examination, she opted for science. In 1 year time, she completed her commerce course of class 11th as well as of class 12th. She was very soft-spoken and respectful to elders. She was good in sports but also had keen interest in studies. She always completed her lessons regularly and put number of exercise problems for discussions. I had a real charm in teaching of such students who showed intimate interest in her studies. Her efforts were rewarded with 100% marks in accountancy. studious and active participation in co-curricular activities and stage activities. There is another example of a girl who was a very studious but very active in taking part in stage activities. She was the head girl of the school and always participated in debates, quiz, dance and drama activities. She was very good in sports as well as excelled in co-curricular activities. In the school functions, she had the consistent record to top in the class as well as in pre-board and board examinations. She used to get upset when she lost even half the mark. She not only scored 100% marks in accountancy but as well in math, economics and business studies. She topped CBSE board examination in commerce stream. God gifted mind. Some students have God gifted mind and some get with hard work and practice. There had been a student when I was a student at my school level. He used to grasp the whole biology lessons when the teacher was teaching in the class, whereas all others had to go through it 3 to 4 times to clarify and understand it. He used to always stand first in the class. Role of a good teacher. It depends. It depends on always what type of teacher are you getting. I still remember when I was in class 6th, we had an English teacher who used to be so strict and used to allow us to take lunch only after finishing his homework and showing to him for corrections. Whatever he taught us, no one can teach us in later life. Till now, I am so obliged to him for his hard work and devotion to students about studies.